I'm Tina, and today I'm going to be installing a Polaris rear cargo box, part number 2882882, onto a Polaris 570 Sportsman SP. It's a 2017. This particular box we got from Rocky Mountain ATV online. A great price, $197.99. Shipping was excellent. Everything was as described. This box does have the locking part in the inside, so it makes it more difficult to just grab and walk away with. So that's why we actually selected this box. Everything that was needed to install this box on the Sportsman was included, even the drill bit. So let's get started. Here's how the box came. As described, it was in a cardboard box, a large covering. Got a little beat up in shipping, but as you can see, the item was in perfect condition. It included the instructions. A little bit windy today. The parts to mount the box, the lock and ride gadgets, and as I mentioned earlier, the drill bit. The first thing we want to do is flip the box over. And if you look on the underneath, you will see that the places that you need to drill are marked, either XP or A. Since this machine is a 570 SP, again, this is a Sportsman, it's a 2017, it's not an XP, so we're going to be drilling into the hole marked A. There are 4 holes, a little bit dusty underneath here as I've been sliding it around. Now I'm going to get ready and go ahead and drill the holes. As you can see, there's another box sitting here because we're going to be installing that on my husband's 1000 XP next. He has a 2018. We're going to be excited to get that going as well. So let's go. Again, just drilling into the holes marked A. I'm on the 3rd one. Here's one of the lock and ride anchor pieces that came with the kit. There's actually 4 for the 4 holes that were drilled. Every part of this goes underneath the box, starting from here down. The large plastic washer and this top piece go inside the box. So we're just going to take the screw off, bolt off, and we're going to flip the box over, put this inside, and then put these back on. So let's do that. So here we go. I'm going to start up here. Just come right through. Put your pieces on. Just turning it inside to screw it onto there. We'll tighten it up in a few minutes. You can see all 4 of the pieces have been installed and hand tightened. Now I'm just using a 13mm gear wrench and I'm going to snug them up just a tad. We don't want anything coming loose. Nice thing about this is once these are installed, you don't have to do it again. And there we go. Now all the pieces are on. And I'm just going to set the box on top. As you can see, the underneath, that's the pieces that we just tightened and the plungers we put on. I did have my husband help me lift it up here. It's not heavy, but it's a little awkward for one person. I'm only 5'4", my arms aren't that long. I'm going to set it down. All the pieces are in there. You snap it down, you can see it still moves. Push it down. Push it down. Watch how snug this is. Pretty awesome. It's not going anywhere. It's kind of crazy to me that little plunger system works like it does, but it sure works. It's very sturdy. I'm gonna go ahead and put my boots in here because I plan on doing some running in this thing. Let's go.